So, in geothermal energy sources, the next topic is prime mover. Prime mover is also called turbine. So, what are the prime movers for geothermal energy conversion? So, what is prime mover? Prime mover is a type of turbine, or it is a machine that converts kinetic energy of steam into mechanical energy. So, prime movers are of two types. One is called impulse turbine, another is called uh, reaction turbine. This example of impulse turbine, basically it is a turbine in which the total pressure of steam is converted into kinetic energy by a nozzle. Here it is shown a nozzle. Through this, total pressure of a steam is converted into kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy drives the wheel turbine. And this is diagram of reaction turbine. In reaction turbine, steam enter with partly pressure and velocity into turbine. It will not enter with full pressure. It will enter with partly pressure and velocity into the turbine. There are several type of reaction turbines like Francis turbine or Kaplan turbine. This is the method of power generation by geothermal resources. For geothermal resources, there are two wells, right? From this well, the heated water is collected in the separator, and from here the steam will be separated and given to the turbine. Turbine will run and it will generate the electricity. The water which will be cooled will be collected by condenser, and it will be given back to the injection well again, and this process will repeat and the electricity will be generated. With geothermal, the earth's heat replaces the boiler of a coal plant or the reactor of a nuclear plant. In this, we are not using coal now. Not we are using nuclear, but the earth's heat is working, giving the work of boiler, is doing the work of boiler. So hot water or the steam is extracted from the earth through a series of wells and feeds to the power plant. In most geothermal plant, the water pulled up from the ground is returned back to the earth again. The rate of water used is often larger than the rate of water returned. So, make-up water supplies are generally needed in this case. What are the advantages of geothermal energy? It needs small maintenance cost. It has a very good, these systems are very efficient. They are highly sustainable. They are eco-friendly. So they produce increase in employment. So noise reduction is less and they are more reliable. Moreover, it is a renewable type of source, so it saves fossil fuel sources also. But there are some disadvantages also for geothermal energy. Because the first disadvantage is environmental issues. It produces some greenhouses gases in abundance below the surface of earth, and which will affect our atmosphere. The second is surface instability. So earthquakes, while do drilling for the wells, then the earthquakes problem may occur, and these systems are very expensive and location specific also. So these are the disadvantages. So what are the applications of geothermal energy? Number one, we can generate electricity. Number two, industrial process heating, and third is space heating.